Okay, guys, so welcome to this video. Uh, I've been given a math assignment, right? But this one is hard for me. So let me show you. Okay, sorry guys for the background noise. You know I'm doing this thing at home. So as you can see, this is the question which I'm going to feed the artificial intelligence with, right? So that it will come on seriously. Okay, so mind you guys, sorry for that. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to write the question down. So let me start to ask the robot, the ChatGPT, the question. Okay, the diagram, right? The diagram shows, okay, a rectangle, right? These are called simultaneous equations, and I'm not able to answer these kind of like word problems. So the area of okay, 3.3.5 square meters, right? So I'm going to use this one as the power 2, just like this, and perimeter uh, of the rectangle is, okay, 7.8 square meters. So what I'm going to put the square meters here. So the question now asks, okay, find uh, the dimensions, right? Dimensions of the rectangle. Okay, so what I'm about to do, right? This question was given under the this simultaneous topic which we're doing in class, and hey, yes, he tried to explain, but hey, math was so difficult for me to just understand the whole thing. So what I'm going to do, ask it, right? I'm going to tell it use simultaneous equation, or let me just run the program so that we can see if the robot actually thinks on its own. So now come and see how it works, the artificial intelligence, which is going to answer the whole question. As you can see, now it's about to start. So first of all, it's thinking, right? That's why it's making that dot, that white rectangle stuff, which is dot, or maybe it's checking if I do not have internet. Okay, let's assume the length of the rectangle is now L and width. So that now is now starting to program. As you can see, it's now doing. Sorry for the message. As you can see, it's working. Come on, sorry guys, sorry guys. Let me. Okay, as you can see, it's working out the problem. Sorry for the. Oh, it's a person who I asked for the math problem on WhatsApp, so she's trying to help me out. So she came late, so now I decided to ask the artificial intelligence to help me out here. So let's see how it goes. So what I'm about to do next, right, so that this one will be visible clearly, I'm about to flip the phone, or I'll just wait until it finishes. As you can see, we plugged through. Okay, this is good. As you can see, you can even use this artificial intelligence system by OpenAI called ChatGPT to help you out with any math problems which you have. Homework, come some tests, maybe you're doing online tests, and you can use this thing to cheat around. But I don't advise to cheat. Okay, so as you can see, it have totally worked everything out, right? So what I'm about to do, it have given these answers, right? So the length is 1.17 meters, right? And the width is 3 meters, right? And it have all worked everything. The other one, some of the dimension which are given is 4.38 meters and 0.8 meters. So let's see how it goes. So this is something which I'll go through on my spare time, but let me just show you in case if you want. So I'm about to flip this phone, right? I hope it will be visible. If not, just try to flip your head. Maybe you just see it. So now let's go where the question is. As you can see, so let's assume that the length of the rectangle is L and the width is W. Then we know that the area of a rectangle is 3.5 square meters. It is then, so we have a length times width is equals square meter. This is the same thing which I wrote down on my piece of paper. Let me just show you, so that you know somehow I know what I'm doing. This is what I wrote on a piece of paper. So this point now, I need help from the artificial intelligence, right? So it says, okay, from the first equation, we can solve for one variable in terms of either, for example, we can solve for a length, right? Length is what? Equals 3, okay, it's equal to the same thing. As you can see, you can just even pretend like, okay, this one is my length, this one is my width. So in order to have length, right, you are going to say, okay, length is equals to um, 3.345 over width. But for instance, for this math problem which I'm doing, it's x is equals to 3.5 over y, and I can even show you on my piece of paper that I worked it out. Okay, I am not saying it, but I'm telling the truth. Okay, as you can see, the math will go on, then it starts simplifying and simplifying until everything's done. So what I'm about to do right from this point, right, I will write everything on paper, and I'll just do what I do and see how it goes. So first of all, the last part, okay, sorry, the last part of the, I'm about to go to that WhatsApp message which my classmate have sent me, so that I can show these answers are the same. What did I write on my piece of paper? Now I'm not even seeing my piece of paper. Good. Okay, let me just go on WhatsApp. We will just refer it. Alright. Okay, where is it? Where's the person? She's called. She's the person who doesn't want to be unknown. Okay, send the question. Let's see if she have worked it out. Okay. Depot. Okay. She didn't even say. Okay. Did she even write? She's asking for the question. So okay, never mind on that one. So what I would do, as you can see, the artificial intelligence have totally showed us the answers, and I'm just going to try to follow those stages. And I hope this video was useful for you. So I hope you have a good day. Cheers. Bye for now. Okay, how do I stop this? Okay, bye for now again.